Oh! Righty! It is I! Gplanaboyz! Manong Jireh! Back at it again with a brand new Alak Tutorials! Yeah, right after gravitating at 0.8 meters per second square.
May bobo, may gago, may siraulo, may...
Kakatapos na namin ng isang Alak tutorial, so bear with us.
Yeah, what?
Pero
a bit reddish.
Mostly bear with him.
Yeah.
Kaya sobrang lasing niya.
Yeah.
And
No, I'm not lasing. I'm a little bit tipsy.
Eh, gago ka naman talaga eh, ano?
pipilitin niya po daw na gawin tong Alak tutorials.
I didn't say that.
kahit
I
lasing
said
siya.
I can manage.
You can
Yeah, I can manage to do this video because I love our subscribers even though I don't know you. And I'm from the Philippines, thank you.
May siraulo.
So I'm here with
Kiri-sama! Yeah, I'm Kiri-sama, your Pokemon!
we're here with you today with Rick Cheese! So dito si Rick Keyboy. So ano pa ba kailangan natin para sa Alak tutorials? Siyempre, you
We
cannot
need the water storage.
pitchel! Ladies and gentlemen, hindi na pwede ibagsak kasi nga.
Yeah, because RIP to our past bake chill.
Tangang tanga na ba kayo?
Eh, gago ka naman talaga eh, ano?
So ano pa ba kailangan natin? Siyempre, it's not an Alak tutorials, we'll present the substance.
Yeah, we should present the substance. It's called alcohol, the Tanduay Rhum. Yeah, you need this in a dark place because it's Tanduay Rhum dark.
Naging British na po siya.
Of course, I'm not
Sabi ko sa
British.
Next
I'm a
up
Welsh.
is
Yeah,
you need
BUBUYOG sting because it stings.
Oh,
Oh, you didn't get my joke? Am I that corny?
Sting. So kailangan natin ng sting. Ay, Rick, hawakan mo.
Rick, you hold this.
Ay, nakalimutan pala sabihin yun ano ihalo. Ang ihalo pala namin is Paolo Pomelo. Bakit Paolo Pomelo?
Because we have Pomelo.
Originally kasi dapat Pomelo daw to. Pero basta ito po yung sinabi ng isa naming fan na si Paolo, pangalan niya.
Ay, Pomelo.
Basta ito po yung combo na nangyari. So yun nga, shoutout sa'yo. Salamat sa nagbigay ng content. No? Okay, up next is Goddamn Nature, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Nature Spring.
It should be 1000 ml and basically it's 1 liter.
Goddamn
And it's a
nature.
drinking water, not a tap water.
So yeah, drinking water, Nature Spring
It's not
specifically.
a tap water. It's purified.
Alright, up next is Tang Orange. We need Tang
Yeah,
Orange.
we need Tang Orange. Oh no, it's an Alak.
Give
Yeah, Richie.
Tang Orange.
Boy, we can't Oh! Oh! Ito pa!
Wala, balik mo!
Pakitago nga ng mga ano. So you're gonna pour half
Yeah,
Nature Spring.
we should adjust stopping it. We should be stopping it.
We're gonna pour half Nature Spring or depende sa inyo. Sir.
Mga lasing po, pagtingin po, pagtingin!
May tanga, may bobo, may gago, may siraulo, may...
Pagbigyan niyo po yung mga nakainom.
I'm wet.
I was not expecting that to happen.
Basta yan, yung drinking or
You should go for 500 milliliters.
And next is the
Sting!
Sting!
It's gonna sting you. Yeah. Ilan?
Lahat yan.
So pag lahat, ganyan. Mag-iiwan kayo ng konting butas para makahinga siya. Yeah, right.
Okay, so kailangan natin ihalo.
Ihalo yung tang. Yeah.
Why? Okay, ihalo natin yung tao.
Nakaharang.
No, you should tear here. You should iyak first. Tear here.
Tear here.
Yeah, here. We need tear some here. No. I'm gonna...
Okay lang yan.
Yeah, I look so fabulous.
Note to self. Nakakatakot na kasi yung si Kirizama.
No, I'm not just drunk. I'm just tipsy.
Felt tipsy.
So, lagyan natin ng tubig.
Ay, wala ko.
Wala ka tubig!
Ooh.
Boy, it's not gonna mix.
Satisfying.
Okay, you mix thoroughly the Tang Orange.
Kala ko ako eh.
You
What's
add
the difference between Tang Orange and Tang Pumpkin?
Huh?
There's Tang Pumpkin, you know?
What's pumpkin?
Pumpkin. P-O-N-K-A-N. Tang Pumpkin. It's like an orange, but I don't know what's the difference between them. Oh,
Congratulations.
Tangang tanga na ba kayo?
maliit. Okay.
So pour the Tang Orange.
Yeah, you mix
over
it
here.
thoroughly. You need this. Boy, you're
Mamaya
muted.
natin yung mix eh. Di
Why
basta
are you so
basta.
silent?
Basta mamaya. Mamaya!
May siraulo.
Ginigigil mo si
So you
Manong eh.
pour the rest of the water, nature spring.
Yeah!
Hey, the Alak! Put the Alak!
Yeah, you should use Tanduay Rhum. Yeah, I opened it with my bare hands.
Okay, you put half Tanduay Rhum dark.
Are we gonna ignite it?
We're gonna ignite it.
Yeah.
Kala ko ako eh.
We're gonna ignite dahil medyo, you know,
How much ignites?
delikado si Kirizama. So, Maonggoy, never let a drunk man do the singing.
No, I'm not drunk. I'm just tipsy.
Kala ko ako eh.
Hey, how many ignites? I can balance this in my finger.
Perfectly balanced,
As all things.
as all things should be.
Yeah, I'm not drunk because I can balance.
Kala ko ako eh.
You put here.
Mano-mano natin gagawin ulit to. Okay, you put.
Yeah.
Diba? Nakita niyo yun? Kita ba?
It absorbed every alcohol.
So, hinigop.
Oh, STEM student explain.
STEM student, ikaw yung STEM student.
Because of the chemical reaction, the air inside, the pressure is, I don't know. We haven't tackled it yet.
Kala ko ako eh.
Shoutout nga pala to every STEM student. Gusto namin mag-comment kayo. I-explain nyo kung ano ang science behind dun sa plok-plok.
Plok plok.
Yung paghigo.
Hashtag plok plok.
Hashtag plok plok. Hashtag sorry liver. Hashtag.
Sorry,
What's
liver.
other hashtag?
Hashtag drink responsibly. Rick J! Nasaan ka na?
Kala ko ako eh.
We recommend tatlong or dalawa na Tang Orange ang gamitin nyo, di ba?
Boy, it's half liter.
Also, hashtag safety first, di ba? Pag may kasama kayong lasing, baka matamaan kayo sa ulo. Kaya,
Wait, tama ba sa akin? Grabe, boy. I'm taken. I'm sorry.
Kala ko ako eh.
I'm gonna burn your armpit hair.
why?
Kala ko ako eh.
So, you mix thoroughly para lahat ng ingredients mag-mix thoroughly.
P-H-O-U-R-O-U. What? P-H-O-R-O-U-G.
Siyempre! Kirizama! Hindi naman natin na pwede inumin ng ganito lang. Kailangan natin ng
Pampalamig! Tulad ng relasyon ng iba dyan.
Kala ko ako eh.
Praise for him back!
Brace! 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 Yeah! Oh my gosh! Uy, ba't ang liit? Sa mga dati natin ang lalaki. Instead of...
Hindi, yung iba dyan sa shot glass. Rick J, so hindi ka namin nakakalimutan, meron ka din.
Kala ko ako eh.
Siyempre, it's not an inuman without, hindi naman pwede, hindi naman to inuman pag walang fuel! Good time!
We have the Leslie Crackers.
Kala ko ako eh.
We're gonna use these local chips again like what we did in our gravity tutorial, so get this out of here.
May tanga, may bobo, may gago, may siraulo, may...
Yun ang haling pulutan. Yun ang haling pulutan natin eh. Kasi go, pulutan, ladies and gentlemen. So,
Kala ko ako eh.
nga pala, bago namin i-taste test, shoutout time! So, shoutout nga pala sa mga taong to.
Taste test.
Ay nga,
It tastes so well. It's like a pizza but a bacon.
So shoutout nga pala sa kay Paolo, no? Ito yung screenshot ng message mo sa amin.
Thank you for the content. Now we have our living.
Alright, lasana natin mga
It's a bit crispy and a bit baconized.
Explain the color.
It's a bit orange but a yellow one. Yo, I'm your boy, little boy Kirizama here. Link down below if you want to watch my channel. Yeah, I'm just gonna release some
Rick.
videos.
Ito.
It tastes like sting with a better bitter taste.
Yes,
Yung lasa ko ano eh, sting talaga na lasa.
Ako more on orange.
Sting.
So, ayun nga.
Soda.
What? Hindi namin maintindihan yung lasa. We taste a bit of, the sting flavor and, yun. Para sa akin kasi, sa kanya nalalasaan niya yung sting. Sa akin, nalalasaan ko yung orange na hindi ko maintindihan.
Kala ko ako eh.
Pwede na, para sa akin. Pero, I do not recommend this para sa mga light drinkers, yung mahilig sa light shit. Pero nire-recommend ko to para sa mga hard drinkers.
Hard drinkers.
Sa unang, landing sa dila mo, andun yung orange. Pero pag tumagal na siya, malalasahan mo yung,
Pero yung
mas
rum, nalasa mo yung rum.
dominant yung sting.
Hindi ba sa buksing?
Hindi lasa yung rum masyado, pero lasa mo yung lasang gamot ng sting.
Kala ko ako eh.
I'm gonna rate it 7.5.
Para sa 7.5.
Hindi, joke lang, hindi pala. 8.5 pala. Masarap kasi siya. Lalasa mo yung orange plus sting plus Tanduay Rhum. Pero, hindi ko masyadong lasa yung alak.
Ako, para sa akin, sa kanya nire-recommend niya sa light drinkers. Para sa akin, nire-recommend ko para sa hard drinkers niya. Kasi dahil nga, more on dahil sa lasa, sa opinion. Opinion ko lang naman.
Ay, oo, kung lasa yung pagpapasihan niya, hindi yung alcohol na lasa. Kung yung lasa, more for hard drinkers siya. Kasi yung mga light drinkers, yung gusto nila, mga matatamis.
Para sa akin, 6.8. Para sa akin 6.8 para sa akin. Pero pwede na. And that's the bottom line! Because Manong Jireh
said so.
Because Manong Jireh Because Manong Jireh said so!
Ew! Because
I like, comment, share, subscribe, and the boy po si Rick G. Rick!
Gplanaboyz.
Good Dang Network!
So we're signing out because Kitty's
Tapos na!
it's my line.